Hi friends, today I'm going to be reading Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip, pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble, they munch with a chew-chomped crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What's a night?" "What a storm," twitters wren. And everybody clutters in a great big bear's den. And they tweet and titter and they titter. They chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbery bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear. Ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he grumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You snuck in my lair and you've all the fun, but me, I was sleeping, and I had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Okay, friends, that was the end of the book. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys stay safe and healthy. Bye!